Easter in Trinidad and Tobago is kite flying season because of the strong northeast trade winds and the dry weather. Children are coming to my home to fly kites on Easter Sunday. Not knowing that their mother bought kites, I also bought a kite for them, so we had lots of kites. Although we think of kite flying as an activity for children in Trinidad, adults also get in on the fun, reliving childhood memories.
Yeah, all kind of tight. Eh? Oh, yes. You have all kind of kite. All right, and it complete with tail and everything. All right, well, yeah. So if you say the Batman kite, a little child could handle it. Okay. All right. Well, I gotta take the Batman.
Real small.
Real small. All right. Cool.
I tie up there.
Yeah. The Batman kite.
Batman, you won't use place again. It's on live.
Yeah.
But just one. I want to see this one.
Wait. Hey, oh, that's what you're calling the star kite. Oh yes. No, that's correct. All kind of kite. And I'm good to go. All right, thank you very much. Okay. All right, folks, I get my kite. Well, at least not my kite. The kite for the little boy, which I'm going to take him to fly tomorrow. Okay.
Look at this side. This is windy side. Come.
So, but wait, I have to put together alone. Come.
Emma, go and help them. Emma,
Right.
go and help them.
So, yeah, mister, right, hold on. But you should know how to do it now and watch what I did just now. Okay, so, where the tail, right?
The tail there. Put the tail. Emma,
Hold
pick
the
up the
tail,
tail so
hold
it
the tail,
doesn't fly.
hold the tail. And this tail, and this one too. Boy, you wild boy. Hey. Alright. Let's see. So we put this part together. So are you not paying attention to learn?
Emma, look, no, Emma, don't
No,
swing that yet.
don't do that yet. Don't do that part yet. Come, we have to.
What is this?
That's the camera. Let me see. Yeah.
What is this thing attached to the phone?
That's the stand that the camera is on.
I do have that.
What?
This.
No. Hey, but this one pretty, man. Okay. Where the tail? You have the tail. Find the hole in the tail. Find the hole. No, find the hole in the tail. Find the part with the hole. Okay. So, slip it in. Slip the hole in there. Slip that part in the hole. Right, take your time. And the next one, the next hole. Found it?
The other side, it's on the other end.
Right, she found it.
Okay.
Put it in. Right.
No, come.
You like thing, boy. Okay. Right, it's not going back here.
Maybe we should put it a little bit farther.
No.
No, come.
You want to be the photographer? Okay. So hold the kite and give me the thread Well,
Look, I have it.
right. Right. Okay. So now,
I buy this
see what we're doing now?
kite from
Now we take-
football.
So that next year, you could put this together, right?
I bought this kite from
So you take the
football.
thread,
And you choose it.
tie it through here,
I chose this.
and we tie a knot.
No,
Hey,
come back.
you insist on running in front of the camera, eh, boy? Right, one. So we tie one knot. doing something. So.
Careful, careful. We don't want to mash up the kite before it go up in the air, right?
Let me come.
Because it's really expensive. Mommy, it's tickling you.
Oh, the kite is expensive?
Yes,
What?
they must know everything is expensive.
You took your money and bought it? Why are you insisting hopping in front of the camera?
Come, Noah. Come. Noah, come. Watch, come. When you get to the car, right, you're going to turn it this way. Right?
I will try one more knot to make sure.
Emma, come.
You're going to face it this way, right?
I tried to use it. Emma, come on.
So I said,
Come on, I'm waiting.
Right, just now. Right. Right.
Look, Raphael, let me talk now.
Where's Raphael?
Make sure and tell him.
Okay, Emma,
Okay.
pull your kite. Right, nice kite.
come, Noah.
All right. So why are you holding the kite? No, lift up now.
Noah. Look, Noah, don't shout. Hey.
All right. Yeah. What? You come, Crystal. Come, you hold the camera. I will help Papa up the kite.
Come. Are you going to fly a kite? I'm going to give you a kite.
Come, Emma. Come. Come, not here. Let's go.
What happened, Noah? What is the video?
All right, come. Hold yours. Come on. Come on. Let me put the kite up in the air. What are you crying for? Come on. Boy, behave yourself.
Wow. Noah, there are no ants here. Yes, I'm gonna come.
Good job, Emily.
Try it. Exactly. Good boy, Noah. He's coming. Noah, don't let go of the Come, Auntie,
The strong breeze made it easy to get the kites up in the air.
Right. Okay. Watch the tree, only watch the tree. Crystal, go across so. Otherwise you get caught in the tree. Go that way, y'all. Otherwise you get caught in the tree. Right? Yeah, you can.
After a short time, it was possible to leave the children on their own as they had learned how to fly their kites.
Oh, you cross the kite now. Right, okay.
Oh, no.
Right. Yes. No, watch the kite. You don't want the kite to go in the tree. No, they're putting together one for him. Alright, hold on to your kite. Oh, and you riding bicycle now? Yeah, but that, yeah, yeah. All right, Ralph, you have to let out more string to get it to go up higher. Right. Crystal, like you, that'll help him. I don't think Ralph, right. Now let out more string. Yeah, let out more string. Let more string to get up. More string. Ah, boy. Right. Watch the tree. Move away from the tree. Right.
If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share the video.
But Daddy reach when everything already done? Ah, yes, boy. Real Daddy. Reach afterwards. It hook up in the tree? Oh. Right. Right. Now you're in the good. Now you're going good. And now the old master has come out to show the young ones how to fly a kite. The old master. Yes, Wendell, from your days in Sawa. Yeah. Well, flying kite in the river? Oh, all right. Uh-huh. Yeah. Now, well, no flower paste kite here. Don't do like Greg and let the kite go, eh? Aye. And I calling you a master and you bring the kite down on the ground?